The Pout-Pout Fish in the Big, Big Dark by Deborah Deason. A doozy of a drowsy made Miss Clam yawn. Then a big current whooshed and her pearl was gone. Mr. Fish swam forth. Miss Clam, don't weep. I will find your pearl. That's a promise I'll keep. He swooped through the water, swishing close to the sand, and he eyed every inch of the busy bottom land. He found a mucky marble where he thought the pearl might be. Then a hidden voice whispered, "It's further out to sea." So he swam a little deeper where the light grew dimmer. As his heart fluttered, Mr. Fish grew grimmer. I'm fast as a sailfish, I'm strong as a shark, I'm smart as a dolphin, but I'm scared of the dark. He kept on searching all along the ocean floor, through a reef, through a wreck, swimming far from the shore. Mr. Fish felt a pout-pout poach on his hope. Then the whisper from before said, "It's down beyond the slope." So he swam a little deeper where the light grew dimmer. As his heart fluttered, Mr. Fish grew grimmer. I'm fast as a sailfish, I'm strong as a shark, I'm smart as a dolphin, but I'm scared of the dark. A whirl of wriggly worms made a search team swirl, and they helped with the hunt for the gone pearl. But nothing was discovered. Mr. Fish felt despair. Then that soft voice whispered, "In the trench, check there." So he swam a little deeper where the light grew dimmer. As his heart fluttered, Mr. Fish grew grimmer. I'm fast as a sailfish, I'm strong as a shark, I'm smart as a dolphin, but I'm scared of the dark. I won't keep swimming in this deep black. I know I made a promise, but this fish is heading back. Then a whisper now familiar whisked away his dread. "You can do it, Mr. Fish," her sweet voice said. Though there wasn't any light, not the smallest slim glimmer, Mr. Fish felt braver. Cheered on by Miss Shimmer, "Two are faster than a sailfish, two are stronger than a shark, two are smarter than a dolphin, two are bigger than the dark." So they swam down together, holding fin to fin, when suddenly, amazingly, light shone in. Mr. Fish said, "Yes!" Miss Shimmer shouted, "Yay! There's Miss Clam's pearl! Hooray! Hooray!" They smooched Mr. Lantern. They smiled as they swam, weaving back through the water to a happy Miss Clam. The whole gang gathered, feeling glorious and proud, and they swam in a circle as they sang out loud, "The ocean is wide and the ocean is deep, but friends help friends, that's a promise we keep." We are bigger, yes, bigger, always big, big, bigger. Then the dark.